My name's Tully. I'm with Drone World Congress here at the UAV Expo, and I'm with, what is your name?
Yakin-san from SF Technology.
SF is the most famous high-end shipping company in China, to my knowledge. And I want to talk about the two instances where they're already using drones for delivering packages. And if I understood correctly, you're using a drone like this?
Yes, we are using this drone. It's called Manta-Ray 40. We are flying from Shenzhen to Zhuhai. It's about 40 kilometers. Yeah, its flight time is 40 minutes. And carry 5 to 10 kilos.
About how often, approximately, do you think they're making this flight?
It's every day.
Every day?
It's daily, and it's like a 40 minutes flight of one way.
Very cool. Is there another one that we should talk about? Or?
Yeah, we're doing another like urban delivery in Ganzhou. It's in the middle of China. It's we are flying along the river, so they have a different like a pickup and drop off points along the river.
For this one, are you using this drone?
Yes, right. It's called the ARK-40. We're using this drone to fly in Ganzhou.
What's the flight time on this drone?
It's about 25 minutes.
Okay.
And it's carry 10 kilograms.
Right. Okay, that's pretty typical for this kind of drone. Yeah. Both of these are over water, so there's very little risk to humans.
Yes, right. That's the reason we are starting with the flying over like water, so there is no like low risk. Right.
It's low risk. And at this point, you're also making a flight plan before you fly.
Yeah, we make a flight plan before every flight. Also, we report to the government we are flying, so make sure it's safe.
Very cool. Okay.
All right.
Well, thank you very much. All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye.